Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh, Pernah. Alright, today we have been visit, you know what, Sabang Island. This is the most beautiful place in the world. We just invite a lot of visitors from United States, or United Kingdom, Australia, Africa, and then Europe. There is very tall, beautiful places. Can you imagine that? Today I bringing 125 tung from the real Gobat place, countries. This is very tall, awesome, because those people, those tung, they just sit to Aceh, they have feasting, and then promo Aceh 5 tung. This is called no kilometer. No, 0 kilometer, very tall, beautiful place. Can you imagine that? When you got snorkeling, swimming, and then with normal, can take picture, making videos. That is very tall, awesome. Alright, I myself, as to this guy, I would like to accompany you. Come here. This is the most beautiful place in the world. This is very tall, awesome world. Alright, my speed up. Don't forget to come and visit to Aceh, because Aceh the most beautiful place in the world. Right, that's